Hello from the Living Tree. I'm Dr. Virginia.
Hi, I'm Linda.
Today we're going to show you how to make one of our favorite breakfast recipe, chia seed pudding.
Oh yes, this is one of my favorite. When I've started with this low carb diet, this is something very healthy and it keeps me full.
Yeah.
For my breakfast, I don't have to crack my head. What to eat. So this is really a good snack and a good breakfast to start off with.
Yeah.
Right? So you're gonna show us, Dr. V?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's dig in. Okay. So it's very easy that we just use 2 containers in one time. Okay. So that will easily be ready for 2 breakfasts for you, right? And we use a tablespoon. There's only 4 ingredients here, so it's very, very easy. Chia seeds, sweetener, and this is optional. Some people are fine without any sweetener. So if you are one of those people, then you can forgo sweetener.
Okay, wait, Dr. Virginia.
Yes.
Can I ask, chia seed, is there any particular type that we should go for?
No, actually any chia seeds is fine.
Organic, not organic.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be organic.
Okay.
But actually, surprisingly, there are many organic chia seeds in the store, so it's very easy to find.
Right.
So chia seeds, sweetener, water, and santan, which is coconut cream. So easy, just 4 ingredients. And the measurements as well, not complicated. So into each jar, you put 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. Level it.
Only 4?
Yeah, just 4. You know how people love to eat overnight oats?
Oh yeah.
And actually, this is a very good replacement for overnight oats.
I like this because it is really good for constipation.
Yes, that's right.
It's so effective.
Yes. Okay, and then into each container. For me, I'm okay with sweetness. I cannot do with no sweetness at all. But I find that 1 tablespoon is sufficient. For me. Some of you, if you are new to the low carb diet and you haven't adjusted to having less sugar in your diet, you can even put 2. Yeah. Okay. So you get 1 tablespoon in there, and then into each jar you pour 100 ml of coconut cream, santan. Smells good. So you pour the whole thing. Okay.
Any particular type of coconut milk, coconut cream, or
coconut cream? For me personally, I like the brand Cara. I find that for desserts, it is the most fragrant. Yeah, but actually, any coconut cream will do.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are so blessed in Malaysia that we have so many brands available.
Oh yes.
So if you can't find Cara, get whichever brand that you can. And then you reuse the container and you pour 100 ml, of water. Okay, and pour that into your 100
same
ml
amount.
Water. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. And then you pour the whole thing into the jar. Okay. And then you basically use something that is easy for stirring. For me, I always use a chopstick. Okay, and be sure to check at the sides of the glass jar to make sure that the chia seeds are not stuck to the sides. Yeah, and you basically just stir it until it's evenly stirred.
Sometimes I'm so lazy, I cover and shake it.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Save 1 item, save 1 washing item, right? Okay, now
Let's do it.
So that's all you need to do. And actually, if your chia seeds are very fresh, within 10 to 15 minutes, you can see that they start to expand and become like a porridge-like consistency. Yeah.
No waste, huh?
Yeah, no waste. The good stuff.
Okay, that's it.
So what do you do with this? Now you put this in the fridge, okay? And what will happen is that it will soak up all the fluids, and the chia seeds will soak up all the fluids, and the chia seeds will turn into a porridge-like consistency, very similar to overnight oats. And then you can enjoy this for breakfast tomorrow.
Yes.
So do try it out.
Try it. It's nice.
Yep.
And healthy.
So yeah, we're gonna
gonna
try it. Yeah, we're gonna try it later on. Okay. Okay, so when the chia seed pudding is ready, usually by about 4 to 6 hours, okay, so you can see that it has a very thick consistency. So if you find it too thick, feel free to add more water the next time. Yeah. And it's really, it can be very, very thick and porridge-like. So just like porridge, all right, we scoop up the amount that you need, okay? And you can have it on its own. It's tasty enough on its own. But personally, for me, I like to have some nuts to go with it. It gives a nice crunch. And some of us prefer to have fruits. So take your pick. Pidi, you've never tried this before. Give it a try.
Yeah. Oh, let's try it.
I still remember when the first time I made this, it was
Yeah.
so hard. I asked the people, Julia, is it supposed to be like that? Then I realized my fish was too cold. Then I have to add on
Yeah, add
almond
more
milk,
water, yeah.
just to dilute it a bit.
Yes.
So it's really just to your texture that you prefer.
Yeah.
So is
Okay.
this yours or mine?
It's yours.
Me, mine? Okay, I'll pick all the toppings.
Yes. So if we like sourish type of citrusy topping, some of us like to put strawberries.
Yes.
And personally for me, my favorite is walnuts and pecan nuts, roasted walnuts and pecan nuts to go with it. And recently we've made our own granola, so that's also very nice to go with the pudding.
Now my mouth
Yeah.
watery already.
Tell us what you think.
Come on, hurry up, Fidi. I'm waiting for you.
Yeah.
Let's try this.
Okay, that's a very nice, you know, when you mix it up together, right, it looks so appetizing.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, I need more strawberry. Make it more colorful.
Yeah.
It's like a morning oatmeal, yeah?
Yes,
Right?
exactly.
Healthier.
Exactly. So this is a perfect.
Sorry, I can't
replacement.
wait for you, Fidi.
Sure, go on first.
Mm.
How is it?
Don't wait.
Let me try.
Just dive
Yeah.
in.
Just dive in. You can add more toppings
The
anytime.
nuts just give the crunchiness and it just change the whole, flavor of the. I can understand your method. I can.
Seriously.
This is why everybody who has made this pudding, they will actually make it again and again. Why? Because it's very simple to make and very delicious. And most of all, it's very healthy. Chia seeds is high in omega-3 and fiber. So believe me, when you eat this, constipation will not be a problem. And it's very enjoyable, right?
I just had my
Really
breakfast.
enjoy it.
Just like another round of breakfast.
Yeah, so we can have it for breakfast, and if we find that each portion is too much, we can keep it for snack later on.
Literally, I can't stop. Can't stop.
Are you going to make this at home now, Vidi?
Of course.
Of course. That's all you need, the ingredients that we mentioned
Yeah.
earlier. Simple as that.
Okay.
Okay, good. So,
Yeah,
next,
for our next recipe.
demo,
simple
yes.
recipe. Bye.